All right, and here is a air cool spinner. It could be, I think the blades are branded Yuson. I don't know if the whole fan is a Yuson, it might just be the brand of the blades. It looks kind of like an air cool product to me. From 1988. This was a Habitat Restore scrap bin save from a long time ago. I actually had this fan installed at my friend's house in Ohio, and we decided it was a little too low hanging since the ceiling's only like 8 foot in there. And I ended up swapping it out for a hugger, but I had this one kicking around and figured this was a good one to throw up here. So as you see, yep, 42-inch antique brass, the turtle fitter. There's low. It's got a weirdly, well not weirdly, it's got a nice aesthetic low for a 42-inch fan, I'd say. Like most 42-inch fans have a little bit faster low than this, so that's nice. Does hum a bit, coil tap speeds, I'll do that. Yeah, just another classroom here. Cool stained glass. Does have a slight upward tilt to the blades, kind of like a Fasco. And medium probably hums the most. I did add some insulation to the fitter, or the turtle fitter screws. That does help a little bit. I think some of it's the metal ball. And there's high. Decent air mover. Okay.